Today I am going to demonstrate single-ended positive clipper and double-ended positive clipper. For this experiment, we need the following components: resistor 1 kilo ohms. For single-ended, diode 1N4007, and for double-ended, 2 diodes and 1 resistor, single strand wires, CRO probes 3 numbers. Before conducting the experiment, switch on the CRO, check the BNC probe. Connect the positive terminal of the CRO probe to here. If you get this square wave, your BNC is working. Press channel 1. The coupling is AC. Press channel 2, that is your output channel. The coupling is DC. Channel is in on. Probe is 1X. Inverted is off. Make sure that before switching on the power supply, this voltage switch in voltage mode only for both the channel. This is first channel and this is second channel. This should is also in voltage position only, and this voltage knob in minimum position and current knob in maximum position for both the channels. This is the power supply first channel and this is power supply second channel. In this is the positive terminal and this is negative terminal for the first channel. For the second channel, same. This red color is in positive and negative one is black color. Take the resistor connected in the breadboard like this. According to the circuit only you can connect. Here resistor I connected here in the breadboard. Connect function generator. Connect the function generator positive. Here the function generator positive is connected to the one end of the resistor. Function generator positive is connected to the first end of the resistor. Function generator negative is connected to the ground. Negative of the function generator is connected to the ground. This is the diode. In this is anode and this silver band is then that one is cathode. Connect other end of the resistor is connected to the anode of the diode. Resistor another end is connected to the anode of the diode. So connect resistor other end connected to the anode of the diode, and then cathode to here. Other end of the cathode is connected to the supply positive, V reference positive. V reference negative is connected to the ground. V reference negative to ground. V reference negative to ground. V reference positive to cathode. Connect V in first channel, channel 1. In that, this is the positive terminal. Positive terminal of the VNC is connected to the resistor 1N. Positive terminal to resistor 1N. This also positive terminal to resistor 1N. And then negative terminal of the input is connected to the ground. Negative to ground. Connect channel 2, that is your output channel. So the channel 2 positive, that means positive is connected to the one end of the resistor and one end of the anode. So the positive is connected to the one end of the resistor and one end of the anode. The negative terminal of the output is connected to the ground. Negative terminal of the output is connected to the ground. Negative terminal of the output is connected to the ground. Switch on the function generator. Switch on the RP CRO. Press this run button. Adjust V in as a 1 volt peak to peak. This is plus positive 5 volts and this is negative 5 volts. And adjust V peak to peak, that is, this is positive and negative cycle, 10 volts peak to peak. Here, now here, this is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1 into 1 milliseconds. So the time is 1 milliseconds. Then calculate the frequency. F is equal to 1 by T. So 1 by 1 milliseconds is equal to 1 kilohertz. You are given in the circuit is 1 kilohertz. Switch on the RPS. Adjust V reference as 1.4 volts. And measure the voltage output. Now the output is here to here. This is 0, 0.2, 0.4. 0.4 into 5, that is 2 volts. Display F3, measure the transfer characteristics. For the same circuit, you connect another one diode. That means this is your single-ended positive clipper and this is for double-ended positive clipper. So connect another one diode at one end of the resistor and one end of the D1 diode, that is anode, connect at the same point. D2 cathode, that means negative terminal, is connected to the one end of the anode and one end of the resistor here. Other end of the diode is connected to the V reference negative. Connect here diode. Connect V reference. This is for second one. Second V reference. Negative is connected to the second diode anode. Second diode anode is connected to the V reference negative. V reference positive is connected to the ground. So V reference positive. Positive is connected to the ground. Switch on the power supply, adjust V reference for second channel, that means D2 for 1.4 volts. Switch on the function generator, adjust V peak to peak as a 10 volts. Measure V in and V out. This is for double-ended positive clipper. That means positive of cycle and negative of cycle, both are clipped. Here the output is 0.4 into 5 volts, that is 2 volts. For negative also 0.2, 0.4. 0.4 into 5 is 2 volts only. Press display F3 and measure the transfer characteristics. For the clamper experiment, you need the following components: resistor 1 kilo ohms, diode 1N4007, capacitor ceramic 0.1 microfarad, breadboard, connecting wires, BNC 3 numbers. Connect the capacitor according to the circuit. Connect the capacitor like this, one end here and another one in this side. Connect the function generator. Function generator positive. Positive is connected to the one end of the capacitor. Here too. So function generator positive is connected to the one end of the capacitor. Negative of the function generator is connected to the ground. So function generator negative to ground. Connect the diode. This one is anode and this one is cathode. Diode cathode is connected to the one end of the capacitor. So other end of the capacitor is connected to the cathode of the diode. Anode is connect. Anode to connect somewhere. So anode of the diode is connected to the V reference positive. V reference positive is connected to V reference positive to anode of the diode. V reference negative. V reference negative is connected to the ground. Connect channel 1, that is input. In that this red one is positive and black one is negative. So the red one is, that means positive terminal is connected to the one end of the capacitor, positive to one end of the capacitor, and negative terminal is connected to the ground, negative to ground. Connect the second channel, that is your output channel. In that this is the positive terminal and this is negative terminal. So the positive terminal, that means red color, that is connected to the one end of the capacitor and one end of the cathode. Here one end of the capacitor and one end of the cathode. And the negative terminal is connected to the ground. Channel 2, negative to ground. Switch on the RPS and adjust V reference as a 2.6 volts. 2.6, 2.5, 2.6 volts. Switch on the function. Switch on the function generator. Adjust peak to peak as a 10 volts and frequency is 1 milliseconds. Switch on the RPS, adjust voltage at 2.6 volts. Measure the output. Measure the output. Now the output is clamped at 2 volts. That means here this is 0. This is 0.2. And this one is 0.4. 0.4 into 5 is 2 volts. So the total voltage will be equal to V in we are given as a 10 volts plus this 2 volts. So it will clamp at 12 volts. The output is 12 volts. After this, press display F3 button and measure the transfer characteristics.